Hari Om. Welcome to the Tattvat Yoga. Today is a day 5 of Goddess Skandamata, is nurturing and compassion. Goddess Skandamata, the mother of Lord Kartikeya, Skanda. She represents motherhood, protection and boundless love. Today's Sankalpa is all about tapping into nurturing energy and compassion for self and others. Yoga poses we are doing today is gentle, nurturing poses and hip openers. Key posture for today, day 5, is the Garuda Asana Eagle pose. This pose symbolizes nurturing, protection, and offer a powerful focus for the mind. So today's sequence is first we're doing the warm up with the gentle flow, wrist and the ankle stretch. Then we do the asanas, the child pose, balasana, seated bounded angle pose, bandha konasana, and the pigeon pose, ekpada rajapukat asana. Then we will do the meditation on the mantra Om Devi Skandamataye Namaha. So seated in any comfortable posture. First we will be doing the wrist stretch. So bring your palms forward, palm facing downwards, and just stretch your finger towards your face on the right side first and hold for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now with the another leg. This one we have to do 2 to 3 times. And then hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With the another hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sorry. Now seated in the Dandasana, straight your legs, hand side of your body, back should be straight. Now we will do some ankle stretch. So feet together. And slowly stretch forward your feet and slowly stretch back towards your face, toes pointing to the face. This one we will do 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and done. And hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly pull towards your face and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release and relax. Now we will do cat and cow stretch. So again, knees apart, hip apart distance, hand should be on the shoulder line, your knees and hip on a one line, and your hand and shoulder in a one line. So slowly inhale, head up, make an arch on your back, and exhale, make an hunch on your back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and hold for 5 seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Take a deep inhale first. As you exhale, make a hunch on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly take a deep inhale. As you exhale, back to the center, release the posture. So this is we're doing the little warm up sequence. Now we will doing the main key posture is the Garuda Asana. Before Garuda Asana, we were doing some the hip opener movement. So first rested on the Balasana to relax the body. So seated in the Vajrasana, your knees together, heels apart, resting the hips on the heel, and your big toes is touching. So slowly take a deep inhale and stretch forward, head down, and your head down. Now take your hands back and relax for a few breaths. As you are ready, slowly inhale, head up and chest up, and then seated in the Dandasana in the center of your mat, we will do the Baddha Konasana, the butterfly pose. So slowly bring your both feet together, interlock your hands underneath the feet and push back towards your body and interlock the hands, hold the feet back straight and just do first some butterfly up and down. Just go slowly and deeply. You can go as fast as you can. And now take a deep inhale first. As you exhale, push down and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale and exhale. Release the posture. Now here, what we have to do? First, we have to go on the mountain pose first. From here, just put the hand and lifting your knees up into the mountain pose. We will doing the pigeon pose from here. Now inhale, lifting your right leg up, stretch and put your right knee on the right hand and the feet on the left hand side. And slowly stretch your left leg. This is the pigeon pose. And hold for here 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly moving your fingers forward and push your head down and stretch forward. This is a good stretch on your hip muscles. And hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly inhale. Hand side of your feet first, lifting up. Now back to the mountain pose from here. Again with the left leg, inhale up and resting your feet side of your anchor and hold for 5 seconds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly exhale, head down, stretch your hands forward and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly hand back, stretching, head up and chest up. Take your left leg back into the mountain pose. And slowly, gently, knees down, sitting in the Vajrasana. And then stand up for the main key posture of today is the Garudasana. Lifting the right leg up, little bit bending your left leg and slowly make a curve, supporting with your ankle and hold. Now inhale, bending the right elbow, resting on that, and this is we are doing the Garuda pose for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release the hand and then release the posture. Again, lifting the left leg up, bending the right leg, crossing the leg first, and then with the left hand we do and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. So this is the Garudasana. You can do the more holding. Now because we're doing little bit back twisting also and the hip one, so we will doing the Uttanasana for the cooling pose. So slowly inhale, raise up the arms and slowly exhale and touching to the floor and just give a good stretch on your hamstring side. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly inhale and release. This is the cooling posture.